Good night, dear Titorantina. Introduction of topic. My name is Newton. My name last Orzuela Díaz. I am born in Tolima. I had one son. I studied licenciatura en mathematics. The topic to be studied effect of the technology environment. The mission of Díaz. English, fall, in Bill. Effect positive and negative effect technology environment. I think effect positively in invention of the electric car, and electric cycles and the pollution. I can negative effect in the environment and the technology in the contamination and the batteries of the cell phone and computer that don't know how at the next final disposition. How do you see the future of the world planet? My opinion about the future of the planet Earth. I think that urban development will be changes of the things with the ecosystem. For example, the current of the trees discriminated. How do you decide environment dynamics? I think I think that governmental and the politics create the protected environment. For example, policy the recycle, policy the protection environment. Thank you. Goodbye.